Hello and welcome to my channel Diligent Meek. And today, the topic the issue which we are going to discuss is basically how to choose between different versions of Python which is installed in your system. So let me just show you. Open your command prompt. Okay. Now this is your command prompt. Now, if you want to check that how many versions of Python are installed in your system, so you can just use py space then 2 times hyphen, and then you can type list. Now, when you press enter, so these are the two versions which are installed in your system. And this one with a star, 3.8 with a star, this basically means that by default, your command prompt is running this version. Okay. Now, if you want to choose, for example, if you want to run your Python file, not with Python 3.8 version, but with 3.7 version. So how can you do that? So for example, I have a Python file by the name of my game. I made an effort in developing a code for a tic-tac-toe game using Python, and in that I was required to install a library of Python by the name of Pygame. So I did that, and in order to cross-check, so just call Python, and then you import that library. Okay. Now this library is working fine. All right. So you would be wondering that now I just have to call my file. Sorry, I just have to call my file where it is stored, and everything would be just, you know, everything would be fine. My file would be executed successfully. But that was not the case. I was getting this error. Let me show you how. Now typing the name of my file. Sorry, I'm typing the name of my file. Okay. Now I'm getting this error, Pygame. No module named Pygame. Now, how is that possible when I have already installed Pygame library and I have got a message as hello from the Pygame community. So everything is working fine. So why am I getting this error? Why the command prompt is popping me this error? So the basic reason behind is because I have two versions installed. One is 3.8 and the other one is 3.7. So with the version 3.7, I have my Pygame installed. But with the version 3.8, which is associated with Anaconda, let me show you how. Just minimize the command prompt and open Anaconda prompt. Now the Python version which is installed by Anaconda is 3.8, and with Python version 3.8.8, I do not have my Pygame module as of now installed. That's why it is showing this error, no module named Pygame. And since command prompt is also running this version by default, so the error has been popped up by the command prompt as no module named found by the name of Pygame. So now there are two things. Either I can just come out from Python and then I can use command pip install Pygame, and I can install this library. I can install this library for Python version 3.8.8 as well. Or if you don't want to do that and instead you want to use the version Python 3.7.3 for running your file. So what you have to do, come out from Anaconda prompt. Okay. Now go to C. This is my command prompt window where I'm working right now. Go to C and just type where Python. All right. So this will show me the two locations. This location is for Python 3.7.3, and this location is basically for Python 3.8.8. So I have to use this location in order to run Python 3.7.3 for executing my file. So again, go to D. Now my folder is open. I just have to type in my Python file name. But before that, I need to copy this location, Control C, and then Control V. After that, now I can type my name, my Python file's name, okay, and press enter. Now everything works fine. Okay. So this is how you can switch between the versions in order to execute your Python program. So, so if you found my solution useful and informative, so please do like and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more update. And you can share this video with your peers or amongst whoever wants to use this solution, or so you can share this video with them and press like and do press the bell icon for more updates, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.